Well, folks, we are back, and as you can see, we got those really fabulous dishes which Chef Melba has prepared. And once again, Melba, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Rennie, for having me.
Yeah, thank you.
Really,
we really appreciate the really fabulous food that we prepared. And also, I believe you have a cookbook which is out, right?
Yes.
So tell us a bit more about that cookbook.
Well, yes, this is a collection of my family recipes all put into this lovely book which won an award for me in the year 2014. And it is called a Kristang family cookbook because it's got all my family recipes in it, and I'm very proud to be leaving this behind because this is my pride, my mom and my grandparents and everybody I learned from, the dishes that I learned from. So if you want to get my book,
right, that's my next question.
Yes, Rennie will be able to fill you in on the details and whatnot.
So, in terms of the book,
Yep.
you mentioned, and the dishes which you see we've prepared by Melba is actually available in the Kristang family,
the recipes.
in the recipe in the book as well. So if you're wondering how do I get hold of the book, they're available and a couple of options. I believe it's over at Kinokuniya. All right, it's also available online at Amazon, over at Amazon.
Or they can get it from me.
Right, all right. So you also can get it from Melba. And how do you contact Chef Melba? Good question. Well, you can contact her on her Facebook. Is simply Mel's. All right, let me just tell you, SIMPLY Mel's, and also on Instagram. She's her hashtag is Chef Melba Nunis. All right, you can actually see the hashtag we should be showing you in just a bit. And also, Melba has bought 3 books along with her, with her on her journey, and 3 lucky winners will have a chance to walk away with the signed autograph cookbook from her. And in order to win this, we'll be posting a couple of questions of dishes which Melba has prepared. And if you answer them correctly, you receive a specially autographed book from the lady herself.
Oh, right? I'm so happy to be giving this away, Rennie.
So this is really a treasure, which especially with Melba signing it, which you will not be able to get, right?
Right.
So and once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Renee on behalf of RevvEats with Melba. Thank you so much for joining us, Melba, and we hope to really catch real soon to find out more about all your fabulous recipes.
Thank you for having me, Rennie. Really, it's been a pleasure.
Okay.